Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Today I am going to explain 3.3 exercise polynomials in 10th class. If you like my teaching, then subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay? Thank you. So, find zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. So, we have to find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. I already told in basic class what is coefficient, what is zeros. Okay. Once again now I am telling those concepts. So, here P x square minus 2x minus 8 is given. To find zeros of polynomial, we have to equate this polynomial to 0. We have to equate this polynomial to 0. So what is the meaning of 0 of the polynomial? The 0 of the polynomial is by substituting value of x, say 1 or 2 or 3, whatever the number it may be, this entire polynomial will become 0. Then that substitution value is called 0 of the polynomial. Once again I am telling, if I substitute in place of x 1, this entire value becomes 0, then we say that 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. If this entire value is not 0, then I say that 1 is not 0 of the polynomial. So this entire value will become 0, then I say that 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. If I substitute 2, this value will become 0, then 2 is 0 of the polynomial. If this value is not 0, then I say that 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. So you have to observe this point. Okay. So for that reason I am writing here. To find zeros of the polynomial, we have to equate this polynomial to 0. So that is x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So this polynomial is equate to 0. I am equating to 0. So is equal symbol. So what I have to find the factors for this polynomial. Factors. I already told in basic class. We have to multiply x square quotient into constant. This is first step. X square quotient into constant. So here x square quotient is 1, constant is minus 8. So answer is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. So then what I have to do? You have to write factors for 8. We have to write factors for 8. What are the factors for 8? 8 ones are 8, 4 twos are 8. These are only the two factors. What is the meaning of factor? By splitting that number into symbol. By splitting this number into two numbers. That is called factors. The meaning of factor is, if I divide 8 by 8, the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then I say that number is factor of that big number. If I am dividing 8 by 4, what is the answer? 2. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 0. So here remainder is 0. You observe this one. 8 by 4. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 0. So I say that 4 is factor of this 8. So when it becomes factor, if I dividing that big number by the small number, if the remainder is 0, then I say that this 4 is factor of that big number. So this is the meaning of factor. You have to observe this one. Okay. So I am writing the factors for this 8. 8 ones are, 4 twos are. Okay. So next. So this is first step. You have to remember. X square quotient into constant. X square quotient into constant. X square quotient is nothing is there. Nothing means 1. Constant 8. 1 8s are 8. So for factors of 8 is 8 ones, 4 twos. So next second step. What is second step? You observe the symbol of constant. You have to observe the symbol of constant. Observe the symbol of constant. Here constant is 8. The symbol is minus. So I have to subtract these two numbers. Either this one or this one. If I subtract 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this answer is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay? Remember that once again. Second step is you have to subtract 7. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So answer is become 2, 7. So here in this one number is only suitable there. Only one. So what is the here suitable value? Either this or this. Either this or this. So after subtraction, see the value. One is 7, another is 2. So this value should be in middle term. Means x quotient. X quotient. So x quotient 2 is there. So here 2 means this number. So this number. So that is useful here. 4, 2. 4, 2. What I have to do? Subtraction. Subtraction means the symbols will be different. Then only I can subtract them. If the same symbols, I will add them. I already told in basic class. If anybody don't know, please watch my basic maths basic class. In that class, I told why you are adding, why you are subtracting, when we are subtracting, when you are adding. So observe that basic class, maths basic class. That is first class by me. Okay. So here I have to subtract them. Here minus symbol is there. So I have to subtract them. So these numbers are big because 2 is there. 4 minus 2 means 2. So for subtraction, signs will be different. So one is minus, another is plus. One is minus, another is plus. For which number I have to put the minus symbol? For which number I have to put the plus symbol? That is also one of the important points. These are the basic points. Okay. So here minus is there, so I have to subtract them. Here also the resulting answer is minus. So minus is there. So after I have to get minus 2. Finally I have to get minus 2. So when I will get minus 2, this symbol will given to big number. You write what symbol is there, that is symbol goes to big number. You have to remember that point. Here plus is there, write plus to bigger number. If minus is there, write minus to big number. Okay. So after that, for 2 what number, which sign I have to put? Here minus. Here also if I put minus, then same signs. We have to add them. But it is not given like that. In constant minus symbol is there. So I must subtract them. So instead of writing minus, I have to write plus. Different signs. Subtraction. So minus 2. So this is minus 2. Why I am doing like this? I will write this minus 2x by splitting them. Separate చేస్తున్నాం దాన్ని. Separate చేయడం కోసంగా రాస్తున్నాం. So instead of writing minus 2x, I will write minus 4x plus 2x. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So in these two, what are the common things are there? I will put outside. So here 4 is there, here 4 is there? No. So I will not take 4 outside. But here x square, 2 x's are there, x into x. Here x, so 1x is there. So I will take x outside. So I will take x common. So here 2x is x into x, so 1x will be outside, another x will be inside, minus symbol, this 4 like that only. Here x came outside, no need to write here. Plus, here 2x minus 8 is there. Here 2, here 8. I will take 2 outside. So, I am writing 2 here. Simply write whatever the value is here. Here what is the value? X minus 4 is equal to 0. Why I am writing here? Some mistakes will come by selecting here only. So, you took the common number, what is there? You have to write, first write the plus, here 2, here 8, 2 table will go, write 2, put a bracket, write this value here. You have to byhead this point. Here it is okay, in some problems, this will be difficult to you. So you have to write like this only. Why I am writing, why we have to byhead it? So, after writing, you have to check. After multiplication of these two, guarantee this answer will come. Otherwise, this is wrong procedure. You have to check that one. So, plus into plus, 2 into x to x, plus into minus, 2 into 4, 8. Correct. What we are doing, that is correct. Here, x minus 4, here also x minus 4. So, this is the important way for those who are having fear about maths. Remember this point. చాలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏదో చేయొద్దు. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 8 ఉంది. 8 లోంచి 2 అవుట్ సైడ్ కామన్ తీయచ్చు. ఎందుకని 8 లో 2 టేబుల్ ఉంది. 2 4s are 8. కాబట్టి 2 అవుట్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ x ఉంది, ఇక్కడ నో x. So no need to take outside. Put a bracket. You write what value here, there, and check. And check means multiply. Your bracket means multiplication. Multiply it, guarantee this answer will come. If this answer will not come, here some mistake will be happen. So you have to check like that. One of the most important factor, this one. One of the most important point to find the factors. Okay? Right. So this is one term, this is second term. In these two terms, x minus 4 is there. This time I am taking x minus 4 outside. So x minus 4 bracket x plus 2. Here x minus 4 come outside means here x plus 2 is equal to 0. So either this value is 0 or that value is 0. Either this value or that value. Because here into symbol, final answer is 0. If I write here 1, here 3 means 1 3s are 3, not 0. But 0 should be come. 0 వచ్చి తీరాలి. ఇక్కడ 0 రావాలి అంటే ఈ 2 ప్లేసెస్లో ఒక ప్లేస్లో 0 ఉండి తీరాల్సిందే. either this place or both. ఒక ప్లేస్ గ్యారంటీగా 0 ఉండాల్సిందే. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0 రాశారనుకోండి, 1 zeros are 0, ఓకే. ఇక్కడ 0 కాదు, ఇక్కడ 7, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ 0 into 7, 0. So I have to write 0 either in place or in this place. You have to remember this one. So that is either this value is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, this is important. This symbol is called that is. So this value is 0 or this value is 0. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 4 or x is equal to plus 2 minus 2. So x having two values because this is quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Degree of polynomial is 2. X has 2 values. So one is plus value, another is minus value. So 1 0 comma alpha is equal to minus 2. Second 0 comma beta is equal to 4. One value is minus 2, another value is 4. So I am adding these zeros. Sum of zeros comma alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 plus 4. I am adding these two. That is equal to minus 2 plus 4 means plus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 means plus 2. So simply leave some place. Already I told in basic class, in quadratic equation, sum of the zeros is formula minus b by a. Minus b by a. For easy of this sum, I will stop here. I will, after leaving one or two steps, I will come from bottom for easy understanding. After that, you can understand easily. So follow this procedure. So here I have to find the sum of zeros. What is the formula for sum of zeros in quadratic equation? Minus b by a minus b by a. Here, what is the value of here? Minus is there. Put a minus symbol. B. What is the value of b? B means x quotient. X quotient. Here x quotient is minus 2. Write minus 2 divided by a. A means x square quotient. I already told in basic class. General quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is general quadratic polynomial. So a means x square quotient, b means x quotient, c means constant. So sum of zeros formula is minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus x quotient by x square quotient. So this is the formula. So I am writing this one. Minus b value minus 2 by a. A means 1. Okay, I am coming from in the reverse direction. So sum of zeros formula I am writing here. After that I am substituting those values. Here minus is a minus, b value minus 2 by a value 1. So simplify this one, minus into minus plus. Okay, here plus symbol. Here denominator 1 is there. 1 means no value for 1. If I divide with 1, the answer will not change. So 7 by 1 means 7, because I am dividing 7 with 1. 1 sevens are 7, 0. The answer will be remain same. No change. So when we are dividing with 7, the answer will not change. So simply I am remove this one. So after removing minus into minus, plus is there. Here 1 is no value. So 2. Minus into minus plus 2. This is plus 2. See, steps are coincide. So here 2 is there. Instead of writing 2, I am writing minus into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So plus 2 is there. Divide by 1. Why I am writing 1? To get the relation. To find the relation between zeros and quotient. These are the zeros. This is the quotient. Quotient of this polynomial. So I find the relation between zeros and quotient. What is the relation? Sum of zeros is minus b by a. Means minus x quotient by x square quotient. Okay. So another relation is there. Product of zeros. Product of zeros. That is alpha into beta is equal to, I have to multiply these two. Minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8. This is product of zeros. Okay. So simply give some space. You have to write from bottom. So product of zeros alpha beta is equal to, you know the formula, C by A. C means constant, by A means x square coefficient. A means x square coefficient. So next step, so what is the value of C right there? See there, minus 8. So I am writing minus 8 by A means 1. So here minus 8 is there, same, 1. I am writing 1 here because to get the relation. So this is the way. So minus 8, I am writing simply 1. So both are same. So this is the way. So you have to write these works in rough work. After that, fail here. So this is the one of the part. After doing 2 or 3 sums, you can understand directly. In basic classes, you have to do like this. After that, you can easily understand. So in next step, what I have to write? I have to find the relation between them. So to find the relation between them, I have to get that answer. Minus b by a or c by a. Okay? So this is the first question for this one. So second one, 4x square minus 4x plus 1. To find zeros of polynomial we have to equate to 0. We have to equate this polynomial to 0. We have to equate this polynomial to 0. So that is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? So here same procedure. You have to multiply. What steps I told, here also same steps. X square quotient constant. Here x square quotient is 4. 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So next step, I have to write factors for 4. What are the factors for 4? This is first step. Second step, 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4. So third step, see the symbol of constant. See the symbol of constant. Here constant is 1, symbol is plus. So I have to add the numbers. So here after adding 4, 1, 5 is there, 2, 2, 4 is there. Here 5, here 4. 4. So here middle 4 is there. So this is suitable for me. Here middle 4 is there. So 5 is not suitable here. So this number. So two numbers are useful here. So what symbol is there for here? Minus. Put this symbol to bigger number. Here both numbers are same. So I have to add plus symbol. So addition means the numbers having same signs. Then only I can add the numbers. If the numbers having same signs, then we can add the numbers. I already told in basic class. You observe that class. Maths basics by me. So here minus there, put a minus symbol here also. Minus, same signs. What is the answer? Same size that they add them and put that side. So minus 4, here also minus 4. In next step I will write like this. 4x square, instead of writing minus 4x, minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So next step, here 4, here 2. Which number will come outside? In 4, 2 table will go. Here 2 table. So I will take 2 outside. Here x is there, here also x is there. And also I take x outside bracket. Here in 4, 2 is came outside, another 2 is there. So dividing 4 with 2, answer is 2. X square, 1x came outside, another x will be there. Here minus symbol. 2 came outside, x also came outside. Nothing is there inside. Nothing means put 1. Put 1. Here minus symbol is there. Put a minus symbol. Here 2, here 1. Put this symbol here. What symbol is there? We have to write that symbol here. Here 2, here 1. No number will come outside. Here x, here no x. So nothing will take outside. In that situation, write 1. So no number is there to take outside. No number is common. So simply I am writing 1. So next step, we have to already told it here. After taking common, put a bracket, write what value is here. Here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That value is here. So multiply these two, guarantee this answer will come. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 2x, 2x minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, 2. Same. So in next step here 2x minus 1 is there. So I am taking 2x minus 1 outside. What is the value inside? 2x here minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Both are same. So I can write 2x minus 1 whole square also. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Here 2 multiplication. So that side means division. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Or 2x is equal to 1, same answer. X is equal to 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, there also 1 by 2. So 1, 0, alpha is equal to 1 by 2, second 0, comma, beta is equal to also 1 by 2, same value. So sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What answer will come? Here denominator is same. Write that number. 1 plus 1. So 2, 1 table, 1 times 2 ones are 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 1 time, 1 into 1, 1. Otherwise you can remember in another way also. Here denominator is same. Write simply that one. Write add the numerators. So the answer is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. After cancellation 1 by 1 is there. Okay. So this is the direct procedure. So give some, you have to do rough work there from bottom. So what is this value? Sum of zeros. Already you know. Sum of zeros is sum of zeros, comma, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Already you know. So minus b by a means minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. X coefficient by x square coefficient. So here minus symbol, put a minus symbol, b value, what is the value of b? Minus 4. Value of b is minus 4, put a bracket by a means 4. So next step, minus into minus plus 4 by 4. 4 by 4, cancellation 1. So step is coincide. So up to 2-3 sums you have to do in reverse procedure. After that you can able to understand how I have to do this sum. Here 1 is there. Instead of writing 1, I am writing 4 by 4. Cancellation means 1. Why I am writing 4 by 4? Here 4 are there in this case. So you have to do simply in reverse way. Answer will come for easy calculation, easy method. యాక్చువల్ బేసికల్లీ ఇట్లా చెప్పడం రాంగే నేను యాజ్ ఎ టీచర్గా, కానీ పిల్లలకి కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలంటే కొంచెం ఈ విధంగా వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఒక క్లారిటీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్. సో వాట్ అబౌట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్? Product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. So product of zeros is 1 by 4. So simply do here. So alpha into beta is equal to, what is the formula? Product of zeros, C by A. So C by A, that is constant by x square quotient. Constant by x square quotient. Constant by x square quotient. So here C constant. What is constant here? 1. By A value is 4. So here 1 by 4, here also 1 by 4. So next step I will write like this. After that this one, after that this one. So this is the way to do the sums. Okay? If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.